If you are looking for a makeup look idea that you can rock on a special occasion, I got you. Let's start off with a clean skin. Very important. I'm going to use this camera over here, and let's start off with our eyebrows. Here I'm just prepping them, brushing them off with this DIY spoolie. To fill them in, I'm going to use this Davis number 3 eyebrow pencil, and I'm following the natural line of my eyebrows, like the natural look of my eyebrows, so that I don't look dramatic, I don't look someone who don't know what she's doing. This is what I usually do in the front part or in the inner part of my eyebrows. I usually don't fill in too much. Like, I prefer less filling, if you understand what I'm saying. After filling them in, I'm going in again to brush them off. And here is a trick for you guys to make sure that your eyebrows stay in position the whole day. Use this clear glue. This is an eyelash glue. It makes sure that your brows stick together the whole day and they stay in position the whole day. So I'm just transferring it to my spoolie and then brushing off my brows.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build.
To clean or define my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Elegant Pro Concealer, and I like using this curb brush that is angled.
Up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of.
It's time to prep the eyelid for the eyeshadow, which I'm super excited for, and I'm using the Elegant Concealer again.
The home, it sucks, I've had enough.
I would like to know, guys, in the comment section, what do you use to blend your concealer? Is it the brush or the beauty blender, and why? Is it more faster or easier to use? I prefer the beauty blender. I feel like it's more easier. And here, guys, I'm starting off with this black shade and following my cut crease. I'm just going to be adding the shade again and again until I'm satisfied with how the color is popping.
I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems.
On top of it, I'm going in with this shade over here, and I'm going to make sure that it's more visible on the upper side. And then after I feel like it's okay, I'm okay with how it's looking, I'm going to blend them together.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't.
To create my cut crease, I'm going in with the same concealer, and I'm slowly following my crease to create this look.
Can't hear that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel.
After the crease is done and I'm feeling satisfied with how it looks, I'm going in with a pink shade on top of it.
Feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks.
Wow, you guys, tell me this look doesn't look amazing. Like, look at those eyes. I'm using my foundation to clean the upper part of my eyebrows. This makes sure that your eyebrows look natural because they are matching the face, and also it's much easier to blend.
Finally feel like giving up, oh god, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed.
I feel like mascara is one of those things that you must do, especially if you're not putting on, you know, the fake lashes. And for the face, I'm priming it using this black opal primer. Make sure you are priming your face because you want to protect it from all of these products.
I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way
As the primer is drying, I'm going in with this concealer to define this wing over here.
to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with
And now for the foundation, I'm using this Milani liquid foundation. Blend, 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 blend.
memories. Not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless.
Foundation is really amazing. The things that it does, like look at this face. Oh my gosh, it just looks so nice. And for the concealer now, I'm doing the under eye, the nose bridge, and the forehead on the chin, and then blending it.
Psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head. I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head. I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature.
To set the concealer, I'm going to use this Such a Buttercup powder.
And it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear.
And I'm also setting the foundation. I'm loving this look. Like, look at how I'm. Oh my. Oh.
Sometimes it could be a little tough. I just
After setting the concealer and foundation, that's when I go with the contour, blush, and highlighting, all that.
need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough.
For the lips, I wanted to do something with, a black lip liner, and then I add this red matte sleek lipstick, but I'm feeling these two. I'm feeling a black liner and then add some gloss. I don't know, I'm confused. I have a thing with lip glosses. The last time I was shooting a video, I had a lip gloss with a pink tube, and the product was just like half of it. I had used like the half of it and it got lost. It was so nice. It had a very sweet, like the scent plus the taste, like you could eat that gloss. Last week I got another lip gloss similar to this one, Absolute, and even the applicator, but the brand I think was Fit Me because it had a Fit Me logo here, and it got lost yesterday. I had not even used it 5 times, like, and then today I got this one. So it's Absolute, but this one is different from the other Fit Me because it has like a flavor, like a juicy flavor. The other one had no scent, no flavor. I'm hoping that it will not get lost, but I have learned my lesson. I will never ever put my lip glosses in my pockets, like trouser pockets. I will never. So I'm debating on using this lip gloss and this. This is an eye pencil, but I'm going to use it as a lip liner. So I'm debating, should I use all of them? All of the three with this look? What do you guys think? Comment down below because I'm confused. So yeah, let's see what I come up with.
I decided to go in with all of them. And in case you're looking for makeup services, maybe birthdays, photo shoots, special events, you know, all of that, I got you. Just DM me on my Instagram. You can send me an email. My email is always in the description bar. I'm a mobile makeup artist, so I can come wherever you are. You are welcome, guys. You are all welcome to contact me.
Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
This is what I have come up with.
OMG guys, I'm loving this look. Who is this? Especially guys, if you have done braids, a nice wig, or a beautiful natural hairstyle, I feel like this is really cute. You guys, it's your girl. It's your girl.
And in case you're wondering what's on my nails, it's actually this hair dye that I DIY'd and used it as henna. So I want my nails to breathe. Actually, the last nails I did was date 9 December 2023. They really served me. They were a month plus, but I'm not sure with what exactly. So yeah, comment down below what you think about it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.